It's CrystalRenèe here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining. As you see in the title that I will be doing an unboxing. I ordered once again from an Etsy shop called The Little Jungle. I was so pleased and satisfied with the first order. I went ahead and ordered from her again. So yeah, let me just stop rambling and get into the unboxing. First off, the box comes packaged well like this, priority shipping. And I'm just gonna dive right in. Alright guys, so on top it has my receipt, which I should probably look over. She says, hope you enjoy. She also sent care tips for one of my plants as well. So I apologize for that. My camera actually died. So yeah. I took the packages out of the box. This one and two. We're gonna open the smaller one first. I'm gonna take this tape, remove the tape, and open it up like so, like a letter. Looks like it has a little more tape here. She packaged this really well. It was double packaged. So, more tape. Turn that around. Okay, so, oh my gosh, guys. The first plant that I'm going to show you that I purchased from the Little Jungle is my string of turtles. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're in this little baggie. That is what the string of turtles is looking like. They're really dark green. I can't really tell if it has roots or anything or not. I'm gonna have to go into the bag and see. Now, the second plant that I'm gonna show you was actually a bonus that came with the other plant that I ordered that we haven't opened yet. So she just wrapped it up with this one. And it is Hoya Curtsii. This is my wish list plant as well. She has it packaged in a baggie as well. I don't know if you guys can see that. You know, what the heck. I might as well take them out the bag so that you guys can get a good look. She has them laying on top of sphagnum moss. I'm trying to gently get it out of the baggie. There we go. Some Hoya Curtsii. Right there. And then I'm going to take this one out of the baggie as well. It's like you have to be very fragile, gentle with it. And that is the string of turtles. Ooh, I gotta get those potted up. Now, for this guy here. I'm excited, guys. So as you guys already know, that the Hoya Curtsii and the string of turtles both are my wish list plants from my top 10 wish list. So I'm narrowing, so I'm checking them off, guys. You can guys tell what that is by the way it's wrapped up? Probably not. So let's open it. Got a little dirt tossed everywhere. But before I show you, I'm gonna try to pat some of the dirt off of it. It's a Hindu Hoya. Hindu rope Hoya. And it is gorgeous. I have a Hindu rope Hoya, guys. It has tissue paper wrapped around it. So I'm going to try to remove that. This is kind of messy. Oh god. Okay guys, this is it. It has a long trail here. It looks alright. Probably just need to repot it and it should do okay. I'm not gonna repot in this video, unfortunately, but I will try to link a picture in the video showing what it looks like after it's all potted up, along with my string of turtles and my Hoya curtsy eye. I will pot them both up as well, and yeah. So if you guys are looking to get any house plants that are pretty affordable, she does good with packaging, and shipping kind of takes a little longer than other places that I've ordered from, but for the most part, I think she has quality plants over at the Little Jungle. I'm happy with what I got. I have 3 new babies in my collection, and I'm checking that list down. I don't know how many so far I've gotten. I don't know. I don't know how many plants are still left on my wish list, but that is something to look into. If you like what you saw today, please give this video a thumbs up and click the bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And until next time, happy growing. Bye. Hey guys, I recently updated my Instagram name. It is no longer CrystalRenèe 1983. It is now CrystalRenèe_420. Don't forget to follow me on all my other social media platforms. Now I would like to take this time to acknowledge a few of my supporters. Just want to thank you all again for your support. Without you, I wouldn't be where I am today. Happy growing.